Hello guys, I want to show you this phone. This is an Itel phone. So I want to work on the start button. So at first when they brought the phone to me, I thought it's something that I'll just clean the silver cap and clean the golden cap, the button proper, and it will touch and it will work. So I realized that when I use my test meter, I realized that with the star inner circle and the outside circle is not even reading through meter. When I use my meter, it's totally off. It's not even making any move. Look at it. Let me zoom it. You see how it is. So somebody has tried to scrape it to see if it will work, and it did not work. Okay. Somebody tried to scrape it to see if it will work. It did not work. So now, let me dive into when I turn the back of the phone to when I'm addressing that pinpoint, I realized a particular IC was missing. That IC looks like resistor, so I realized it was missing. So I was not really too sure if that resistor was in charge for that button to work. So you can see 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Star is not working. You can see 0 hash. So let me want to show you something. So all these keypad all you see here, they are all there for each other. You can connect one or two different buttons out of the whole keyboard here, and it will give you a different thing. Okay, now let us see. Tapping 4, 5 and the okay, you can see tapping inner circle 2 and they can give you something randomly. Just look at the behavior. To give you something different. So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to be tapping all those things to know the one that will actually give me star. So this is what I'll be doing until I'll get that will give me a star. So navigator down, outside, inside, and 0 outside is giving me all. So you can see it gave me option. So then navigator up, inside and the outside is 0. Outside is 0 and inside you can see it. You can see what it's giving me. So star. I finally gotten the star. So look at it again. Navigator up, outside the circle, and 0 inside the circle is giving me star, and that is what we're looking for. So what we're going to do is that we're going to draw a jumper. So because of time,
yeah,
I will skip the part where I did my jumper. Okay.
Yeah.
I will skip the part where I did my jumper. So now you can see the jumper is ready. So watch carefully, you'll see how I did my jumper. Okay.
3, 4,
5. So that jumper I did there is not going to have any effect on the particular button where I took my jumper from.
9.
So everything will be working on its own. Okay. Even if, since I draw my jumper from the navigator up, even if you press the navigator up, there is no effect. And as much as I draw my jumper from the 0 button, even if you press the 0 button, there is no effect. Everything is working independently. So this should be a good lesson for us engineers. So I would like you to share this video and let it go viral so that other engineer will see. Can you see the jumper? So another thing is to cover the silver cap. I will apply a particular method here. This is the outside. You can see where I draw it from. I gave it light from the navigator up and 0. That's where I got the light from the start button. Please look at the model 5082. Okay. This is it's also applicable to any other Android button phones. So this is from this method you can find your jumpers. You can find your missing buttons. Any one is not working. One of the easiest way. There's on it.
Today.
So why I deploy, when I apply goes so that if I didn't apply this command with the silver cap, what it will be doing is that it will be soft touching because of the jumper line. The button is running. So because of the direct contact, I have to use my gum to that line just to make sure my jumper doesn't not scratch and the causing running letters. So my job is fellow engineers.
Alright, okay. Why?
Please
Narolo.
share, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comment section so that other engineers will learn. If there's any new trick you know, you can as well drop it. Other engineers to learn. As we remind you, faithful engineer Keyboard's Tech. If you are new to my channel, do it to subscribe to my channel so that whenever I drop a new video, you will be the first. You will be among the first people to see my video and watch it online. If you have any question, please. I do often check and reply. Thank you for